Let's see how to download and install the Grozziie software on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to printernoble.com/download. On this page, you can find software and drivers for both Windows and Mac. You can also download the Grozziie mobile app for Android and iOS. Now, let's download the Grozziie software for Windows. You can choose either the exe file or the zip file. The zip version may be helpful if your browser blocks or automatically removes the exe file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to begin the installation. If a Windows protected your PC message appears, click More Info and then select Run Anyway. Next, choose whether you want to install the software only for yourself or for all users on the computer. Then click Next. Click Yes to continue. Select this option if you would like to create a desktop shortcut, and then click Next. Click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. That's it. The Grozziie software is now installed and ready to use. Connect your printer via USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi and enjoy smooth printing for labels, waybills, documents, and more.